Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
Nice to have you back, Libra. On Monday, the planetary configuration is highlighting that in order to have healthy communication between you and your partner, it is necessary that you address and express the things that you generally tend to hide or keep to yourself. It is not possible to have transparency, honesty, and therefore trust in an intimate partner if you are not willing to share all parts of yourself. True intimacy is built on feeling that we can share our deepest and darkest secret with one another without fear of judgment or disconnection. Today is a great day to practice sharing more of what makes you uncomfortable with your lover. You may feel some pressure to have it all figured out. But remember that nobody ever has it all figured out. Remember the adage, to err is human, to forgive it's divine. That doesn't mean just forgiving others. You must learn to appreciate your own ability to forgive yourself. Judgment will prevent you from listening to your own intuition. Your basic needs are to eat well, to get plenty of rest, and to exercise. Try with all three today. On Tuesday, the moon is in your third house. Do you have an easy time communicating your thoughts and feelings in your romantic partnerships? Are you able to be as open and transparent as you could be in the way you express yourself? These are all necessary and relevant questions to ask yourself. One of the most important and fundamental pillars of a healthy and successful relationship is honest, direct, clear and open communication. So often two people could be very much in love and compatible. However, things don't work out between them because they are simply not on the same page, constantly misunderstanding one another due to a lack of openness. This is a good time for you to practice bringing more of these elements into your relationship. Make a promise with your partner where you both make a commitment to making sure that you are as transparent with one another as Wednesday may be a good time to change things up where you live, especially if you want to have more romantic privacy to yourself. The nurturing moon and sensual Venus come together in your fourth house of foundations, shining a light on domestic matters. You may have certain anxieties about making a big shift in your love life, but your confidence will grow incrementally as time passes and as you get used to the new vision you have for affairs of the heart. The thought of reinventing yourself is exciting, especially if it's been a while since you felt motivated to make big changes in your romantic world. Your ideals will feel especially sensitive to you today. You may sympathize with others more than you normally do, but be careful that you don't get caught up in the role of champion for others. That is a noble sentiment, but you need to stay focused on yourself right now, and this will take some committed effort. Go for a run with a friend and discuss issues that concern you. The increased oxygen intake will settle your mind. On Thursday, there's a lot on your plate today, but you have the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time, and this will help you to get work done faster. You'd be so much rather concentrate on current matters of the heart, so you will have to be quite productive in the early hours of the day if there's any chance of engaging in some romantic fun later on. If you're in the position to do something active with a sweetheart tonight, make it happen even if you have to do virtual version over a video chat. There are days when even you don't want adventure, and with today's planetary alignment, this is probably one of them. Your sense of humor is likely to be downright dormant. Perhaps your expansive nature has gone inward and you feel the need to reflect on the times gone by and the times on the road ahead. There is much to be gained by going inward. Try yoga to help support the process. On Friday, you are being asked to realize the importance of spending downtime with your partner. Allowing yourself to just be with one another in the empty stillness enables you to experience a level of closeness and intimacy that you wouldn't be able to otherwise. In this day and age, people are so concerned and caught up in always doing something with their partners out of fear of boredom. This results in you ending up missing out on the beauty of making it more about who you're with and the quality of time you spend with them rather than where you are or what you're doing. Today would be a great time to allow yourself to spend some quality time with your partner at home and maybe just cuddle and cook with them something special. On Saturday, one of the wonderful things about you is that you warm up slowly. You can really be sure about what you are doing because you don't adopt things immediately. Revel in your easy pace and continue to focus on yourself, one day at a time. The moon today is in your 8th house, however, it is also squaring Mars in your 5th house of romance. This configuration is emphasizing the importance of finding the balance between the fun, light-hearted, sexy parts of your intimate partnerships and the heavier, deeper, and darker aspects of it. You cannot have a healthy and successful relationship without having either of these two components to be a part of it. Today is a great day for you to practice finding the sweet spot between those dynamics between you and your lover. Learn how to enjoy yourself and just have a good time while also making sure that you are also sharing the less bouncy parts of yourself with one another. On Sunday, give yourself plenty of room. Your need for independence is high, as is your need to concentrate on yourself. You may worry about what others think of your behavior, but the truth is they have their own behavior to worry about. Take action for your health today. This is how you will get your space, your concentration, and feel like you are making progress. Remember, there is no step too small. Choose to have choice in what you eat. Organic is worth it. The moon is in your 2nd house today. However, it is also squaring Mars in your 11th house. This is emphasizing the importance of sharing common values on a fundamental level with your partner in order to have a sense of true closeness and friendship with one another. It is also very natural that you will always have certain values, even if small ones, that you disagree on with another person. In order to have a safe space for differences to coexist between you and your lover, it is necessary to have some level of friendship be a foundation of your relationship.
Money and career.
On Monday, financial inflow will be very satisfactory, but you will be also required to take care about your expenses. There is a distinct possibility of incurring several unexpected expenses. You could spend a substantial amount of money for court cases and pending legal matters. Since you have a lot of surplus funds on hand at the moment, it will be a great idea to clear off all your old debts. You could consider investing in real estate today. It will be imperative for you to keep a tight leash over unwanted expenses. Do not spend huge chunks of money for buying exorbitant objects. On Tuesday, this is not a promising day for matters pertaining to finance. Your exorbitant expenses will be uncontrollable. Your investments are also not going to reap any lucrative rewards. Your finance department will miserably fail you. You will not be able to stick to your monthly budgeting plans. Your financial planning will seem to be completely collapsed. You may even need to borrow money from close friends and relatives to keep the show going. You may not even be able to cope up with regular office expenses such as courier charges, telephone bills, electricity payments, etc. This will be due to the carelessness of your staff. On Wednesday, you will need to be extremely cautious while dealing with matters of finance and money. Never sign a document without properly reading it first. As a matter of fact, you should even sign checks after proper contemplation. Try to focus upon saving your money as much as possible during this period. We say so because there is a strong probability of incurring unexpected expenses during this time. On Thursday, this week is not very favorable for considering new investments. Those dealing in the stock markets should have a watchful eye over the developments. You will be very relieved to receive unexpected finances. This is a very favorable week as far as your finances and money matters are concerned. If you have been trying to avail a loan for either business development or purchasing capital for goods, you will be able to do so easily today. Any financial strategies that you have planned will be successfully implemented today. On Friday, there is a distinct possibility of spending a considerable amount of money for purchasing electronic gadgets. You will also be able to successfully clear off any old loans or dues during this period. Learn to keep a tight leash over unwanted expenses and focus upon saving for the future. This is a very favorable day as far as your finances and money matters are concerned. If you have been trying to avail a loan for either business development or purchasing capital for goods, you will be able to do so easily. On Saturday, any financial strategies that you have planned will be successfully implemented. There is a distinct possibility of spending a considerable amount of money for purchasing electronic gadgets. You will also be able to successfully clear off any loans or dues during this period. Learn to keep a tight leash over unwanted expenses. On Sunday, the graph of your financial growth during this week will be more or less like a tidal wave. If you learn to surf the tide with adequate precaution, the sail will be smooth and overall, you will need to maintain a perfect equilibrium between your financial inflow and expenses. Monitoring your unwanted expenses will certainly help you. Your financial inflow will be very satisfactory today, because Moon is in your sign today and things will start looking up today onwards. Do not make random investments based on hearsay.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.